Okay. Okay, let's further ado. We can start discussing about everything. Do you have anything in your mind, any agenda you want to discuss?
Honestly, no.
Okay, all good, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, how's your task board going on? Let me share my screen.
Yeah, be honest. Yeah, working on it,
Mm-hmm.
adding more tasks and all that.
No worries, we'll fix it together. So, learning process. So, it's what's on it? Learning access process next week. What is this about? Create process on running a chair. Okay. So all the task here, so newly added, right? Have you started working on that? Any task you have
Yeah.
started?
I actually added them myself today.
Mhm.
I actually added them myself today, based on the voice notes Papi sent. So I'm about to start moving it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. So, by the way, this process, the VPN, I need your help in this VPN access. I will discuss it later, but I need your help in that way. I will start doing that VPN access, but I will do that. What's going on the RxPay project? Is everything okay on RxPay? What's the current status? What's everything? Can you give me a brief on that?
Okay. For RXP, we are currently working on the LinkedIn strategy. Getting some tasks from Ilya as well. And Bapi mentioned that I create like a list of recurring tasks that I'll be helping Ilya with. So currently working on that and just trying to find a balance with everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the RxP work, you're supposed to add on the cadence. So have you started working on that part? Updated your cadence? Okay, all good.
Yeah. I created a different cadence for that job.
Okay, you have added, right?
Like I created a different cadence for that. Yeah.
Okay, so
But that's still under review. It's still under review.
Okay, all good. So how's your meeting going on with Betty?
Oh, we had our first meeting. When was that? Last week. Yeah.
Okay.
And it was okay. Just try to keep things helpful and productive since we are working on like similar projects. So just yeah.
Okay. So you are creating a LinkedIn post for OLAB, right? How is the experience? How is the experience? How do you feel about that one?
We learn every day, so I'm still on the journey. It's supposed to actually be a weekly task. Still working on it.
Okay.
Now you even mentioned it, I should add a task for this week. Yeah.
Okay. All right, no problem. You can do it, no problem. Okay, other than that, how's your learning going on? You're typing, right? You're learning typing something.
Yeah, I recently completed that. I think I shared my certificate on the group. Yeah, I did so. So I'm on to something new. What is that? Key account management. Yeah, that's what I'm currently on.
Okay, so you are learning key account management. Okay. How is the learning going on? Do you have any account learning partners with that?
No, I think it's today that Papi mentioned you spoke about learning partners, but no, I do not have any learning partners for now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just learning.
Okay. So do you have anyone in your mind who can join with your learning journey?
I think Yaya is learning the same thing, so he would be someone I would recommend. However, I wonder how, like, I'm curious as to how the learning partners is meant to work. Like, do I just send updates to the person, or like, how is it meant to happen?
Okay. Have you had a chat with Yahya about that? That is he learning that one and where he is right now on his learning?
No, it just
Okay.
no, I
But
haven't.
yeah.
I think Papi just mentioned it today, like the whole learning, having a learning partner. So we are still looking out for how the structure behind like having a learning partner. Are we sharing updates on the group chat, or how are we doing it exactly?
Yeah. So if you have a group chat on key account management learning, then you will share that learning on that group. If Yahya is working or if Yahya is learning that course, then together you will share yours and also like give feedback on each other's learning. That usually what we do. Usually, Pia and I are basically learning tech fundamental. We are going through a same learning, and we do in a similar fashion. Like we do learning and share our learning and give feedback to each other's learning. So that's how we do our learning partners, you can say, partners learning and peer learning, you can say. You can do that. If Yahya is working on that or learning on that part, then just had a chat with Yahya and start doing that one. Is that helpful?
Can I ask what you're learning? Yeah, sure. I could reach
Yeah.
out to and ask him.
Okay. What are you saying?
Can I ask what you're learning?
Oh, okay. I'm learning tech fundamental course basically because it's kind of like I work with a dev team most of the time. So most of the time I had to learn like what they are talking about, what is this all about, what things like that, what is the tech things are going on their regular working pattern. So I just need to learn those things. That's why I've started learning that one. And also Pia had to deal with us, the dev team, and also client. So basically, that's why we start learning that together. Okay. Anything you want to learn? You want to learn this one also, tech fundamental? You can, no problem. It's a basic thing. It's like it's a really basic thing. You don't have to like, oh, what's going on? What is he saying? No, that's not like kind of learning. But the lecturer was really like kind, and everything he shared, the learning is like easy. Any beginner can understand what he is trying to say. So yeah, you can, no problem. Go give it a shot, no problem. So okay, so it's your learning. So you have started learning key account management. So help me on the like what do you say that VPN Express VPN thing. Can you like give like brief explanation how can we start doing that one?
Um, did you get to see the process on the
Yeah, I
what
did.
is that announcement group? Okay. Have you filled the form?
No, not because with filling out the form, I think we need to like create an account on the ExpressVPN, something like that.
No. That's like the third process or the fourth. The first process would be just filling out the form. And when you're done, you can reach out to Bapi or me or anyone and just share with us that, okay, I filled out the form. Because when you fill out the form, we get the data from the back end. Yeah. Then when you're done filling out the form, there is also another learning process you go through. It's still attached in the process. So you just go through that process, and by the time you're done, you will be given, like, okay, by the time you're done, you reach out to us again, sharing your updates, and we will now grant you access to the learning platforms, depending on what you pick. LinkedIn, possibly. Yeah. Then there's a step-by-step process on how to set up ExpressVPN. So that's also there as well. But that's like the fourth step. It's not priority when you just fill the form. Yeah.
We need to fill out the form at first, then after that we'll just follow the steps, right?
Yeah. So fill out the form. Like you can inform me or you can inform Papi, anyone. Then you go through the process on how to set up the learning account. That's the next step. Then we are done. The access to the learning platform to be shared. Then you now download ExpressVPN.
That's
yeah. But if there's any issue, like
I'm after doing the ExpressVPN at first because I was just a little bit of confused, so I just started doing the ExpressVPN, creating account and things like that. So that's what I think. By the way, for ExpressVPN, do we have any team account or do we have to create our own?
No, we have a team account. There's a process on that as well. Like, have you downloaded the ExpressVPN?
Not yet.
Okay. That you have to download it and then set it up, like login.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I actually started actually trying to log in, but there is some confirmation message sent to Papi's mail, so I need to get that confirmation at first.
Okay, you can use the activation code. So it's either a mail or an activation code. So the activation code is in the process.
Okay.
That we shared on the announcement group. Yeah, so you just copy and paste and sign in.
Okay. Do we are you using that part, like okay, process creation task code?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Couple of things are moving.
Okay. So, how is the hiring going on the Upwork? Would you be able to give some update on that part? It's
okay.
I
think I created the process based on what Bapi mentioned or a video Bapi shared. Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's how I created it.
Okay, cool, no problem. And apart from that, your data is also like, I need to keep in my.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Okay. So currently, I am trying to work on the whole what do you call it, RXP huddle meeting. So the RXP huddle meeting was shifted from 10 to 9. I think the team members had some issue with the timing. It wasn't a big convenience for them. So we spoke about it. I mentioned it to Bapi and we agreed to move it to 9 a.m. Currently, like Ilya just mentioned, because Ilya was on a trip and he just mentioned that he can't make it by 9. As it's meant to be that he'll be dropping off his children by 9.
Okay.
So I think it would have to be rescheduled again, but I think like there might just be some conversation around it. I'm trying to wrap my head around the conversation.
So, do you like any specific arrangement? Do you have any specific arrangement for that one? Any thing like it's 9 p.m. right? Oh, sorry,
No, 9 a.m.
9 a.m. I mean your times, right? Or
No,
Sydney time?
9 a.m. their time.
And
8 a.m. my time. 9 a.m. their time.
okay. So 9 a.m. he may not be able to do that huddle, right? So who is going to join that one? You, Ilya, and
Okay, Boris,
okay,
and some team members.
okay.
Most times it's actually based on who is available, right? It's not like everyone has to be there. It's mostly based on who is available.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but okay.
So,
I guess
yeah,
I'll just message them in the group and share the updates with them that we might have to reschedule or something. Yeah.
okay. Have you discussed it with other person, other team member that we are?
Okay, on the
Yeah.
I just received a mail this morning that
Mm-hmm.
he wouldn't be able to make it. So I think I'll just think about that and drop a
Because
message on the group so that they can
yeah,
decide on.
yeah, because it's as it is like with Ilias and other team member, we need to think about their availability also. So just why don't you just discuss with the team? That will be better.
Which of the team, like the RXP team?
Yeah, RXP team or can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, it's echoing. Okay. Yeah, I think you can discuss it with the team member who are in the RXP team, if it's okay with the team.
Okay, I'm going to mention it on the group chat, definitely. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm going to mention it on the group chat and let them decide, of
Mm.
course.
Are you like available within after or before that time?
Yeah,
If
I'm
they
actually available
readjust,
because
if they readjust
that's
like 1 hour before and after things like that, you need to think about your availability as well, right?
yeah, I'm actually available.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just considering like the fact that I should have a one-on-one meeting with Doris, but
No
I'll just
problem.
move that.
You can reschedule that, but client meeting is another thing. You can reschedule team meeting, but with the team, with the client, we need to like think it that way. Hmm? Is it helpful or okay?
Yeah, definitely.
Mm, okay. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. How is everything on your data and everything? Just a small little review, then we can wrap up. So, and are you available on weekends or something?
No, currently I'm not. I have like so many engagements during the weekends.
Mm, okay. So, you- so how is everything at your home? How is everyone? By the way, who is?
Hmm?
Oh, I can. Okay, okay. I'm saying that how is everything on your end? Everyone on your at your home.
Okay.
Mhm.
Um,
Okay, and
I don't really stay with my parents. So I'm kind of like solo for now.
You stay alone?
Oh, I see what happened.
Oh,
I
okay.
see what happened. I think my time went into like the next day.
Yeah, that's exactly happened
Yeah.
with your team, like your time.
Yeah.
Okay, so Friday it was good, 52%. That's good. Yeah, it's like it's on Saturday, you can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, no worries about that one. All good, no problem. So yeah, otherwise you were good. You were consistent enough, no problem. So because of the timing, I think time like rolled out to the next day, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I think Tuesday rolled into Wednesday, or Wednesday rolled into Thursday. I really don't know, but I
Yeah,
think something rolled. Yeah.
yeah. Let's keep rolling out. Okay, no problem. Understand. Okay, cool. And so your data is all good and transport is all good. So for just wanted to make sure that and just let me know how's your current workload? How do you feel about your work? And do you need any further assistant on your work wise or anything? Just share, you can share that one.
Okay. I think right now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm experiencing burnout, and I really can't place my hand if it's on work or just my personal life. But I'm currently experiencing burnout. Like I'm just getting unnecessarily tired for no reason. I think it's actually mental, like, yeah, but I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
But
If you
yeah,
need any like any challenges, if you feel any challenges in any work area, just let us know. Or if you feel that I need a help or I'm feeling overwhelmed in some way, just let us know, no problem. Okay, just a last question. Is there any way we can improve this meeting? Just give me your honest feedback. Tough question. It's a tough question. It happens with me as well. Whenever Stanley asks me that question, I just keep thinking about this. How? Okay,
I'd like
cool.
to ask. I'd like to ask because I started having a meeting with some team members. How long is the meeting meant to last? Like on a really good, how long is the meeting meant to last?
I mean, timing? Hello. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the time. Yeah,
It's
timing.
okay. You can keep it super short if you like. Can make it like 20 minutes max, not more than
They're
20.
breaking. I do my network.
Yeah,
20 minutes max.
yeah, 20-minute
Oh,
max.
okay.
Okay, and anything else you want to
Mm,
ask?
yeah,
So
mm,
another one,
it's
and
okay.
okay, Bapi, I think mentioned that you are going to join the management meeting from next Friday. Okay, in that case, you can skip the or you can hand over the huddle hosting to another person. So
Yeah,
yeah, because that time we have management meeting and SWAT team huddle like at the same time.
yeah.
So yeah, you can like switch the huddle hosting with other or yeah, do whatever feel you good. But you have to stay there on the management meeting as Papi mentioned. So just try to stay the management meeting. Okay, and just letting heads up and just try to add that on your calendar as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it from my side. So do you have any feedback, honest feedback? Please give me your honest feedback, how we can improve that meeting or how we can improve that one-on-one. Mhm.
Good that it's weekly. It's good that it's currently weekly, so
Okay,
it's a great time to catch up and
okay,
yeah, just good.
okay. How can I be a better for you?
Okay.
Better than
Oh,
being better for you. Yeah.
oh, you're actually doing a great job. You're actually doing a great job. Like, just don't mind, like, I'm speaking this way. I'm just like a bit tired. That's
It's
why.
okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're actually doing a great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. And I will not take further your time. And take rest, take care, and goodbye.
Okay.
Thank you.